Oh. Just in its ear.
Oh, geez.
Oh, now they're all awake. Oh, you're hurting it.
You don't like that one.
Billy does not want it to take that toy.
I was like, what do I do?
I'm like, so I'm just walk over there and take that toy from him and see what happens. No. Here, hold on, let's see what happens when I take his toy. Yep. They all want this one. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do it to your little friend here. You beat him up. Oh, you lost your toy. Yeah, my hand's better, isn't it? Wow, it's like chow. Now I know how he feels. Being bit by 3 dogs at once. Okay, my hand's getting all wet now. They are very active. It's not a documentary.